Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. For the time for your club news today. News presented to you by 237 Bakudo Boy, aka Papa Compound, the finance bank Cameroon. News reaching us from Yaoundé saying Piccolo 2K, the famous comedian, saw Dada Black Bamenda picking suffer picking. He drive a girlfriend for house because of Fufu invented by 237 and Green. Yeah. That is true. Fufu the go ultimate. Fufu the go person. We will value the cultures of Fufu. That is nonsense. Can you imagine that Fufu that we eat every day? Somebody who just come and violate our cultures like that. Somebody that is the girl ate Fufu with her hand and the only can.
She what?
Arab, Chanantan, Kaskarapa, Fuishka nonsense. Cameroon. That is abortion of culture.
Okay.
Yesterday we had an argument of people saying that Limbe is the sweetest and finest place in Cameroon. That is a big lie. The lie was designed by Anonymous.
Okay.
The sweetest and finest place in Cameroon is Boya. Ask me why. It's because it's only Boya where you see boys who enter Nyongo and use time to have money and girls who go enter their own Nyongo and come and collect the money with Kayamata. Is that not funny? Now, even the boys that are driving cars like Benz, Limousine, Prado, and now, in fact, they have sold the cars and now even guys they don't have because they're afraid of Kayamata. Thanks for watching this news. Get back to you on Saturday for the next edition of The Journalist. News presented to you by 237 Bakudo Boy, aka Papa Compound, finance bank Cameroon.